Infinitives.
Inshinga mu mbundo.
Dear Claude, I propose 10 verbs to use.
Nshuti yanjye Claude, dore inshinga 10 zo gukoresha.
What are they?
Izo nshinga ni izihe?
To cut.
Gutema.
Mr. Gatera is cutting a tree.
Bwana Gatera arimo aratema igiti.
To carry.
Gutwara.
That boy cannot carry the bag, it's too heavy.
Uriya muhungu ntabasha gutwara igikapu, kiremereye cyane.
To bring.
Kuzana.
My father is going to bring us some necklaces tonight.
Data ari butuzanira imikufi nimugoroba.
To shout.
Gusakuza.
Look, the spectators are shouting.
Reba, abafana barimo barasakuza.
To greet.
Gusuhuza.
Mary is greeting John.
Maria arimo arasuhuza Yohana.
To dance.
Kubyina.
Chimpanzee is dancing with some men.
Ingagi irabyinana n'abagabo.
To live.
Kuba cyangwa gutura.
Simon lives in Kigali city.
Simon atuye mu mujyi wa Kigali,
but he will move to Kampala next week.
Ariko azimukira Kampala mu cyumweru gitaha.
To light.
Gucana.
Before getting into the room, you must light the lamp.
Mbere yo kwinjira mu cyumba ugomba gucana itara.
To meet.
Guhura.
If you go to the forest, you will meet a lion.
Nuramuka ugiye mu ishyamba uzahurira n'intare.
To kill. Kwica cyangwa gukinja.
Rugwiro is a butcher. At least he kills one goat every day.
Rugwiro ni umubojozi. Nibura yicaye nimwe buri munsi.
Thank you, Peter.
Urakoze Petero.
Not at all.
Urakoze nawe.